What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a review video on the Perfetto Magic Clip Cordless, aka the Wall Magic Clip Cordless knockoffs. So as you can see here, when I received these, I bought these off of Amazon, by the way. The box already came like this. I don't know why, but it just came like that. Whatever. I really wasn't too concerned about it. Alright, wait. So it comes with 4 combs, a taper lever, lightweight, lithium ion battery. That's the model number if you're interested. Has a 60-minute runtime. It says it has a powerful rotary motor. And then it says it has full-sized, I forget what this is called right now. I'm going blank. Anyways, it's pretty much pointless. I don't know why it even says that. Staggered tooth top blade, crunch blade technology. All right. Oh yeah, full size blades. That's what it was. All right. Let's open this up. Comes with some operating instructions. English. Where's it at? Whatever. All right. It's pretty nice packaging. All right. So these are it. The Perfetto Magic Clip Cordless. I've never owned a pair of wall magic clips. I bought these because I wanted some cordless clippers, and these seem a lot cheaper. And all the other reviews I saw about the Chemi magic clips, also knockoffs, I heard very good reviews. It's lightweight. Most of the weight is towards the front. There's not really much weight in the back. Most of the weight is in the front. Has the grooves, and it feels really nice in your hand, actually. I heard a lot of reviews saying that the magic clips felt bulky, but to me, they feel perfect, actually. It feels really nice in my hands. Let's take this off. These are the blades it comes with. Actually, that looks pretty crooked to me, so I'm gonna have to fix that before I cut anybody. Yeah, that looks like it's a little more higher here and a little lower here. Yeah, it looks pretty crooked. Anyways. So you can see the blade, but it looks kind of thick, actually. There's no markings on it. It says here charging time 1 hour on this. AC 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 9 watts. Right. That's the charging port. Okay. Let me turn it on real quick. These are actually surprisingly quiet. I'll set these down for a second. Okay. These are the cards it comes with. Comes with number 1. Number 1 guard, or the 1/8, your millimeters. Number 2 guard, 1/4 or 6 millimeters. Number 3, 3/8, 10 millimeters. And number 4, or a 1/2 inch, or 13 millimeters. Alright, let me see how well they fit on this clipper. Oh my god. There we go. It actually went on there pretty hard. I don't think this clip is gonna fall off at all. Seems like it fits super tight. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a really tight fit. 3 and 4. Yeah, that's been pretty good. These are regular plastic guards. They're not the best, but they'll do. Right, so that's that. Get the charger out. This is the charger. There's that information for those of you that want it. Seems like it's a pretty long cord. That's the end of it. Let me go ahead and put these to charge. All right. It lights up blue. It's a pretty nice color. I like that. Looks nice. That's really nice. And then if it runs out of charge, you can use it corded with the cord on. All right. And the last two things that are in here, last two things that are in here is this little brush, as you see here. All right. And then a little bottle of oil that's barely halfway full. Hopefully in the future, I'll do another review on how they work, if they're good or not. I personally own a pair of Oscar fast feeds and I love those things. So I'll let you know if they're anything compared to those in terms of how well they cut. All right. Oh, and I also went ahead and bought the wall magic clip blades, so I'm gonna be taking these off and replacing them with the wall magic blades that actually do have the staggered tooth cutting for the crunch technology. It says it on the box, but these teeth don't look staggered to me, so I'm pretty sure they lied about that. But yeah, I'm gonna replace these, and then I also bought the wall premium guards, so they should be coming in, and I'm gonna do a full review on the Perfetto Magic Clip cordless. All right. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any comments for me, that'd be great. Let me know what you guys would like to see. Any suggestions on how I should do a review, anything I didn't cover, or you want me to cover more on any of the reviews that I had previously, I wouldn't mind doing a second review and going in more detail. All right, guys, until next time, bye.